Alright, so today we're talking side marker lights. Why am I talking side marker lights? Well, because this is how most of you give it to me, and then I take them apart, and yeah, it looks like that, right? So we've got to restore them, replace them, make them nice and shiny, which is kind of what you see back here. We take the lenses, polish them, get them nice and brilliant again. We take this crusty old trim ring and polish that to what you see there. Replace all this corroded, nasty rubber with brand new rubber. But more importantly, one of the things I wanted to show you was this is a used piece, but it's not any used piece. It's a used piece from a 280Z. Again, with the debate of why a 280 is better than a 240. Well, they just got better, they being Nissan, and realized some of the design flaws. As you can see on this guy, the rubber seal was exposed to the backside and exposed to the inside of the wheel well, which then corroded it and rotted it away. They got smarter with the 280 and sealed that off. So if you've got a good set, which I've stolen this one from another car, but I've gotten plenty of these from junkyards that I've got in my collection now, and a lot of times we've got to go through several of these to find, a few that are good. Once we get a decent one, we also replace this terrible bulb with something more modern, like that LED bulb you see there. I'll power that up. See how nice and bright that is. Just to check it, make sure it works before we install it on the car, so that we know it's never the bulb itself, that we've tested that. If anything doesn't work, we go back and check connections or wires. But I wanted to show you the importance of side marker light restoration and what we do to take it from these crusty, rusty things to these nice and shiny, bright, functional side marker lights. Okay, so now you know.